Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to remove old Facebook posts in bulk. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to remove old Facebook posts in bulk, the method is pretty much very simple. All you gotta do is go to Facebook, and once you're in your Facebook, you can simply go and tap on your profile. Now there you can simply scroll down and find the option called manage posts. Simply tap on manage post and simply tap on the post you want to delete. Now once you have selected it, you can simply find the delete option right over there. Now you can simply remove your tags or hide them from timeline, as this is from other creator. So if you want to delete the post, then it should be you that have created that particular post. So if you're gonna do this method and follow these steps for your individual posts, then you can simply remove old Facebook posts in bulk. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.